Andarki Namaskaram. This is Satya, a watersoul. So, this week we have come to Bidadi, or either there's a farm stay called Q Farms Retreat. Okay, this is by Q Experiences, and well, I love this resort already. So, this is inside a farm. Bidadi is in uh, or near Rama Nagar, and it falls 36 kilometers from Bangalore. So, yeah, the sun is beautifully bright now. It's almost evening, and let me show you this resort to you. Come. So, this is a kind of a homestay, and do you look at this water in this garden? We love water, so God has made it rain yesterday, and this garden is beautifully filled with water, and it makes it so much aesthetic. So let's walk in. Wow, I just love it. So, so this is the garden, of course, and few flowers. Everything is very beautiful, and this is a common area for sitting, chilling, dining when you come with friends. And this is a very big homestay, so it can accompany like almost all your cousins if you plan for a getaway. Come. So let me show you the inside of the homestay. Okay, let's get in. So, welcome. Okay, it's dark in here. Let me switch on the lights for you. Oh, lights are also on. Come, let me show you. This is the puja room. This is the seating area, of course. This is my favorite place. Okay, one of my favorite place. Okay. No. I won't stop swinging if I don't stop now. So this is the beautiful gallery of art with the television. These are the rooms, 1, 2, 3. And this room can contain up to 4 people, and this 2 people, and that 2 people. And there are separate, what should I say? Separate beds as well, cots, so more people are always welcome. And this is a beautiful where you can just look at the sky and get so much of natural air. And this is the kitchen. You can check this out, and this is the dining area. We had the absolutely best for lunch, I would say. They asked us in prior what we would like to have, and we told 1 veg and 1 non-veg. And because I'm a vegetarian, I ate paneer butter masala and some rasam, some jeera rice, and what did I eat? And curd. And let's go and show you the best part. And this part is itself in the name. Q Farm Retreat. So farms. Come. Let me show you the farms now. I think the sun is almost set. I don't think it's set by now, but I think the clouds would have hidden it already. Come. This is the beautiful farm, and look at these cuties. Cuties. And there were some goats here, and they went to eat in the farm next door, which is a very big farm, which I'll show you. There's in here you have some banana trees and guava trees, and there are 2 cutie dogs. They're resting, so they are not out now. So let me show you something. And here I don't think you can see them because there's no much light, but there are turtles in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 10 turtles are there. Come. So, what next? So this is Sapota. Where is Sapota? This is Sapota. Okay, let's go. We got some coconut trees. Mango tree. I love mango. Look at this cutie over here. She's so beautiful and so sassy. And these are all the poultry of this farm. And there are pigeons and dowbirds here. Check them inside. They were out when I came up. They were just flying here and there. But now they were asked to go in and take some rest. So this is the other part of farm where usually the bonfire happens. Evening it will be much bigger fire. So now it's just reminds of the earlier one. You can just chill here, sit and chill, all people, and maybe play some Antyakshari or some games. And come. Also my favorite part. Oh, I love swings. Okay. Don't ask me how much did I swing in my early days of my childhood. Not much actually. Because it was in school and always some or the other person is always before me. I'm always late. And there are, at the side there's some panasakai, jackfruit trees as well, some jackfruits also there. And this is the rain dance area. I'm sorry, there's no real rain, nor the shower. I can ask them to put there, but yeah, why to waste water when there's actual rain? So now this is the pool. Also my favorite part because I have water soul. Come. See this cutie over here. It is asked to go have some food. And it's chilling over here. And this is the farm. Behind this cutie, the entire thing is the farm. You can go and have some view of it. And this is another cutie. Doesn't this cutie look like llama? This llama doesn't like drama. Come. So that is another cutie there. And here's the sassy queen. I mean, so beautiful. I would want a dress like that for my birthday. Definitely. This much layers, black, some hint of red. Maybe something, yeah. Come. So this is this. And our cuties are out. So later on there's bonfire at 7 o'clock, and I'm hopefully if there's any sunset we'll record. If not, take a chill pill. Oh, look at there. Oh, I never imagined it so beautiful. I love it. Actually, let me tell you a secret. I think farm stays are my favorite. Okay, so beautiful. So after this is a bonfire. We'll meet then. Okay. Look at this. This is the best day, best part of my day, which is snacks. So yeah, this is mirchi bhaji, my favorite. I used to like be behind my mother to make some mirchi bhaji like every day. Chala ishtam naku. And so guess what we are watching? Before that, some coffee and some mirchi bhaji, some ketchup and a queen. Okay, this is self appraisal. So we're watching my vlog. See, it's nice to watch this in me in this big screen. So you guys are one day, I mean a staycation at Q Farms retreat Bidadi is done, and we have checked out and we are heading towards Bangalore, our base. And until next time, bye bye. Subscribe.